कळंगुटात आनी जायत्यो समस्या आसात, मात आमदार ओडीपी विशयाचेर चड भर घालता म्हूण कळंगुटचे काँग्रेस मंडळ उलयला. ओडीपी विशयावयल्यान लोकांक फसोवपाचें बंद करचें, लोकांच्या दोळ्याक उदक लावनाकात म्हूण कळंगुटचो आदलो आमदार आग्नेलो फर्नांडीस उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Is regarding ODP again, because we have realized the MLA and the chairman of the PDA keeps on telling lies consistently every time. But first, before I start with the ODP, I'd just like to clarify what he every time keeps on telling me about, about my hotel. That I have asked for regularization to make it 100%. Now this is from his office. The FAR that I have used is 79.87%. So it is below 80%. I have not asked for 100%, as he is saying. Every time he says that I came to him for a favor to ask for 100% FAR. I am happy with my 80%, which is there by law. I am entitled to another 20%, which I will go only after he denotifies Kandale from ODP. Because I don't need the ODP for this. Yesterday he made an allegation that 2,000 square meters of my family land was acquired by the government, and I sought to get back 5,000 square meters. Now, my land was acquired in 1982, 1,125 square meters, and in 1993, another 2,125.
आमच्या वाड्यात वड्ड्यात ते हे शेत आख्खे हे शेत नॉन सेटलमेंट झोनाचे ते हे आता म्हणजे वड्डे सेटलमेंट झोन दाखयले आनी हितून पळय लँड फिलिंग चलताले तेजे डेप्युटी म्हणजे नॉर्थ गोवा कलेक्टराचे स्टे ऑर्डर आहा आनी अजून पासून आहा पूण आतां एका सहबिलाक हे करून हांगा कोटरी मारली आनी तेजे कुशीक हांगासर एक स्ट्रक्चर दाखयला. हो स्ट्रक्चर हांगा एक्जिस्ट जायत ना, आदीं सान ना आनी आतां पासून ना. तसोच अरे हे हांगासर आमचे सेंट सांताक्रूज चॅपल तेज्या कुशीक पळय स्ट्रक्चर दाखयलें. हो हांगा स्ट्रक्चर ना. हांगा एक बांय आहा, हितून हांगासर तोंय आहलें तें तोंय पुगयलां. हांगासर तोंय आहलें तें पुगयलां. हे आमचे शेत वड्ड्या सेंट सेबेस्टियन वाड्यान हे एकूच शेत. ही एक वॉटर बॉडी पळयली हांगा वायंगोण 3 पिको काडटाले ह्या शेतान. व्हडल्यो त्यो एग्रीकल्चर प्रॉपर्टीज त्यो पुगयल्यो. आमचो वॉटर लेवल सारको झिरो जातलो आनी आमकां उदकाचे खूब प्रॉब्लेम जातले. तशेंच ह्या चितून हांगासर एक जोर आहा आनी तोय तितून खूब जाण न्हाताले आनी कित्याक तें उदीक वापरताले. पण ती तोय पासून तिंगा दाखोवंक ना आनी ती जोरूय दाखोवंक ना.
This PCP Act and this formation of PDAs, ODPs is completely unconstitutional in our country that's called India. This particular act has come in 74 and today we are demanding that this be amended. And for that tomorrow you know that the entire state of Goa will be in Panjim to get this particular law amended. So that's point one. This PDA thing is completely unconstitutional. Second, I would like to point out and ask the whole state of Goa whether do we have an MLA in Kalangut today or we don't. The reason I'm saying this is we are struggling here with electricity. Every day in these days minimum 15 times the electricity goes. Our people are still struggling for water. We don't have a proper hospital. This man has shifted his focus from all this and today he has become a hungry ODP dependent person. Do we really have an MLA is my question today.